Thank you for choosing Cooper Lighting Solutions Failsafe Upper Air UVC Fixture, the GAW. The GAW is a UL 1598 listed wall-mounted lighting fixture that distributes UVC in the upper air, guarding room occupants from exposure to UVC. The result is air that is constantly cleaned while people are present and is a proven and effective solution against hundreds of bacteria and viruses. This video will help guide you as you install the GAW, but it should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual, which includes additional and important safety information. Please read all instructions carefully, review the contents of the packaging, and locate the tools required to complete the installation. For this specific installation, a screwdriver, a wrench, and wire strippers are needed. Prior to installation, please confirm that all power is disconnected. The first step is to ensure that the proper electrical junction box is in place for the power feed. Proper anchors are used to secure the bracket to the wall in 4 places. Then, center the bracket over the junction box to allow access to the wires. Next, secure with additional screws on the outer edges of the mounting plate for complete securement. Prepare electrical connections and temporarily hang the fixture on the lower section of the bracket to allow for electrical connections to be made. Push all electrical connections into the junction box. Please ensure to not damage the electrical connections while doing so. Then install the unit on top of the bracket and secure with 2 screws. And ensure that all of the steps in the commissioning guide are followed. Refer to the commissioning guide for further instructions. Congratulations, you have now completed the installation of Cooper Lighting Solutions Failsafe Upper Air UVC Fixture, the GAW. It's time to safely turn the power back on and let the power of trusted UVC do its job and continuously clean the space.